Creating a luxurious home doesn't have to be expensive. If you want to make your home look more expensive without breaking the bank, here are some tips from artificial intelligence. We asked then how to make home look more expensive, and the AI gives some very useful tips. With these simple and low-cost tricks, you can easily give new life to your home and make it look like $1,000,000. Here they are. Declutter and organize. A clutter-free and well-organized space instantly gives the impression of a more luxurious and expensive home. Remove unnecessary items, find proper storage solutions, and keep surfaces clear and tidy. Focus on lighting. Good lighting can make a significant difference in how a space looks and feels. Maximize natural light by removing heavy curtains or using sheer fabrics. Incorporate layered lighting with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create depth and highlight focal points. Use a neutral color palette. Neutral colors, such as whites, creams, grays, and beiges, can create an elegant and sophisticated atmosphere. They provide a timeless backdrop that allows other elements, like furniture and accessories, to stand out. Invest in quality fabrics. Opt for high-quality fabrics for curtains, upholstery, and bedding. Luxurious materials like silk, velvet, or linen can add a touch of elegance and richness to your home. Look for discounted options or consider reupholstering existing furniture pieces. Add crown molding and trim. Crown molding and trim can give a room a more finished and upscale look. Install crown molding along the ceiling or add decorative trim to walls and door frames for an instant touch of luxury. Upgrade hardware and fixtures. Replacing outdated hardware, such as doorknobs, drawer pulls, and light fixtures, with more modern and stylish options can elevate the overall look of your home. Opt for finishes like brushed nickel, brass, or matte black for a sophisticated touch. Incorporate mirrors. Mirrors can make a space appear larger and more open while adding a touch of glamour. Place mirrors strategically to reflect natural light and create the illusion of more space. Hang artwork. Displaying art on your walls can add a sense of sophistication and personal style. Choose pieces that complement your overall aesthetic and opt for larger-scale artwork to make a statement. Pay attention to details. Small details can make a big difference. Invest in quality throw pillows, decorative accessories, and unique accents that add personality and style to your home. Incorporate fresh flowers or indoor plants for a touch of freshness and vibrancy. Remember, creating an expensive look is about attention to detail, thoughtful design choices, and creating a space that reflects your personal style. By implementing some of these tips, you can transform your home into a more luxurious and sophisticated environment.